Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of crafting some seriously cool handles. I'm starting off with this badass door handle I'm making. I'm squeezing these metal bars to create a sleek spiral design. Safety first, so I've got my protective gear on for welding. Before I spray the handle, I make sure to cover up this part to keep it clean. Then it's spray time! It's dried up now, and the result is surprisingly beautiful. Next, I'm attaching this masterpiece to the door. Impressive work, right? Craftiness at its finest. Stay tuned for more creative projects and handy tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. Catch you in the next video.